Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about how to export your project in PNG file, JPG, PDF, and SVG. So, as you can see, I have this clone of Instagram, and I want to export this frame. There are lots of options to export in Figma. So, let's look at one by one. The first one is go to Figma file, and you can see we have export button. And currently, we selected iPhone 13 Pro Max 2. This is the frame and it is in PNG format, and you can also see the resolution over here. Now click on the export and it will ask you for where you want to store your project. So let's create a folder over here and let's save this project into this folder and click on the save. Let's go to downloads in the export folder and you can see our project is exported. The second method is just select your frame, go to design panel and go at the end, and you can see we have option of exporting over here, and currently it is 1x and leave as it is. And if you want to export in different format like in JPG, SVG or PDF, you can choose these options. Let's say we want to export this into like a JPG. Click on the JPG and click on export iPhone 13 Max 2, and you can also see the preview of this app. So click on the export and it is gonna ask you where you want to store. So currently we want to store this into download and export folder. So click on the save and let's go to download, and you can see it is in the JPG format, and this one is into PNG format, and same with this SVG and PDF. Currently we like exported only single frame, and let's say if you want to export multiple frame, you can go to file and choose export frames to PDF, and your project is gonna be exported into PDF format. So click on the save and let's open this one, and you can see our file is open into Chrome, and this is our frames, 4 frames of our music app. So this is how you can export multiple files in PDF format. Let's say you want to share this project with someone and you want to export this into like Figma file. So go to files again and click on the save a local copy, and it will ask you where you want to store. So we want to store into export folder. Click on the save, and this is our Figma file. And if you want to share with someone with Gmail or WhatsApp, you can share this file directly and they can open this file into their Figma software. So those are all the methods to export your projects. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.